So what's up guys, and hi, and today we are going to learn how to make nerf box to store your nerf darts and some mini nerf darts. Okay, so this is my nerf mini suitcase like that. Okay, so see how it's look like this. Okay. So first, if you order the gun, so click the box and so if you order gun, so let's start. If you order a gun, so it comes with the box. So you can cut the box in two half pieces and stick from four sides like this. Okay, and then you are going to make parts for your one nerf gun and two and how many you like, and then store your nerf darts and nerf guns manually, and then make one handle to open and some lock like this. Okay, understand? So and we can also store some things like that. This is my two nerf guns. This is nerf darts. So see, actually this working. So it is good now. Yes. So let's close it. See, it is closed and it is so comfortable. See, it is good now. So you can make. And guys, if you like the video, so please tag, share to everyone. Share to everyone, and thanks for